Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out Reolink's brand new light that they just got, the Trackflex floodlight. This camera system can keep your property safe, and it just released, and it's got some serious awards. But if you're in a hurry and just trying to get that discount, feel free to use our promo code AdventureTech. You can get over to this page, get that deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which you know we appreciate so much. For everybody else, we're going to go into the details on this brand new product from Reolink. So we already got a bunch of awards, and this is just released, honored with 19 Best of IFA awards, including the IFA Innovation Awards honoree, TechRadar's Best of IFAs 2025, and BGR's IFA Innovation Award 2025. Very, very impressive. You got 2 lenses, 2 views, 1 screen. Capture a full 4K wide view for situational awareness, while the second lens delivers up to 6 times hybrid zoom for close details, faces, license plates, and package labels without losing that big picture. 6 times hybrid zoom is really going to zoom in, giving you those details you need to actually make a difference when a situation comes up. And you got 360-degree coverage with AI tracking. Pan, tilt, and lock on. Trackflex watches the whole scene and uses smart AI to follow moving objects smoothly across the frame, then automatically saves the best footage so you don't have to miss a thing. Ideal for round-the-clock perimeter monitoring. You got dual color floodlight too. You got cool and warm light modes, which is good if you want clarity or something more ambient. Cool light delivers high contrast for sharp nighttime detail, while the warm light provides softer natural tones ideal for residential areas. Set manual modes, schedules, or let Trackflex choose automatically. So this is an awesome option. This is kind of an upgrade from their normal floodlight version. This has the pan and tilt built in as well, and this just released, so you're getting the highest brand new technology from Reolink. Plus, use that promo code AdventureTech and they're going to drop that price down a little bit more for you. Use the links in the comments or the description if you want to get over here and check that out. Get one of these deals while it lasts. For everybody else, you're welcome to subscribe completely for free to the channel just by clicking the subscribe button. Stay tuned. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these new product drops.